Hello, this is Ken from EasyTest Pool Supplies, and today we'll be discussing fiberglass pools and gunite pools and their different qualities across different categories. Who gets the check? First category will be customization. With a gunite pool, any shape you desire can be built, from dog bones to guitar-shaped pools to a traditional rectangular pool. Fiberglass pools are only available in pre-molded designs. Gunite pools get the check. For initial cost, a gunite pool generally starts around $80,000 even for a more modest product, while a fiberglass pool generally starts around $50,000. The fiberglass pool gets the check. For installation time, a gunite pool takes about 3 to 6 months from first excavation to the finished product, while a fiberglass pool comes in much shorter at about 3 to 6 weeks. Fiberglass gets the check. As far as a smooth finish, a gunite pool has a coarse concrete base, while a fiberglass pool has a gel-coated finish. The fiberglass pool gets the check. A gunite pool uses a steel-enforced concrete structure, while fiberglass pools have a high-quality, multi-layer fiberglass mold. They're equally durable, and they both get the check. For chemical usage, a gunite pool has construction materials that require consistent water maintenance, while fiberglass pools have a pre-molded surface that requires no chemical upkeep. Fiberglass pools get the check. For quality control, the gunite pools are built on site, and therefore the quality of the pool is dependent on the builder, while a fiberglass pool is built in a factory and subjected to multiple quality tests before even leaving the factory. The fiberglass pool gets the check. For the verdict, while gunite pools are durable and the most customizable, fiberglass pools win overall based on affordability, lower maintenance, and quicker install, 6 checks to 2. Thanks a lot, and hopefully this helps you make a decision between a fiberglass and a gunite pool. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you feel so inclined, please like, share, comment, find us on Facebook, and subscribe if you haven't already, or click the bell notification to receive our most updated content. This is Ken from EasyTest Pool Supplies, and thanks for watching.